Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. Salesmate, found at salesmate.io, is a customer relationship management (CRM) platform designed to help businesses streamline their sales processes. It offers a range of features focused on improving sales team efficiency, automating repetitive tasks, and ultimately driving revenue growth. From lead management and contact organization to sales automation and insightful reporting, Salesmate aims to provide a comprehensive solution for managing the entire sales cycle. While I haven't personally delved into every single nook and cranny of Salesmate, from my research and experience, it appears to be a robust platform with a clean and intuitive interface. It offers key functionalities like contact management, allowing you to keep detailed records of your leads and customers, including their interaction history. The platform also facilitates deal management, enabling you to track your sales pipeline from initial contact to closing, visualizing your progress and identifying potential bottlenecks. Salesmate's automation capabilities appear particularly noteworthy, promising to automate repetitive tasks like email sequences and follow-ups, freeing up your sales team to focus on higher-value activities, such as building relationships and closing deals. Furthermore, the platform boasts built-in reporting and analytics features, providing valuable insights into sales performance, helping you identify trends and make data-driven decisions. Ultimately, whether or not Salesmate is the right fit for your business will depend on your specific needs and requirements. However, it appears to offer a comprehensive set of features designed to enhance sales productivity and drive revenue growth. If you're in the market for a new CRM, it's certainly worth exploring. I encourage you to check out salesmate.io for more information and perhaps even take advantage of a free trial or demo to see if it aligns with your business objectives. Be sure to check the description below for the link.